Here is the work that I did yesterday, building this rock wall. Put down the black plastic to suppress some of the weeds. I'm going to probably just turn this into a bed for 4-o'clocks. Right there, that's some sort of a hyacinth or Rose of Sharon relative. Those little sticks coming up, I had to move them because they kept getting mowed down. Here's the shade garden, which as you can see is underneath a great big cypress tree. Well, great big, medium growth. There's some bulbs in there already. It gets morning sun. And then over here in this grassy area here, there were a lot of stones from what had been some sort of a flower bed, I guess, at some point in the past. So I picked those up. That's part of the wall over there now. And I got this evened out so it'll be easier to mow. The stones that had been on the shelf here are now right there. And I built this rock wall over here as well. Okay, now I can't get it to shrink back down. And hopefully we'll suppress some weeds there. Built this wall, and I had it down this side. It's echoing the native stone. So that bottom layer there is the rock, the bedrock, limestone. We've got our leaf cup already starting to come in. And there's the pretty stones from the other side. Most of them are from a nearby creek bed where you can pull up geodes. So that's what I did yesterday. Wore myself out. Had a good time as a gardener landscaper. Ta-da!